previous episode.
What makes Netflix so addictive?
A big part is played by machine learning. Models used by Netflix are constantly learning from fresh data.
Amazon Web Services (AWS), which provides the processing capacity required to handle all of this data at scale.
Netflix uses machine learning to monitor metrics including completion rates, watch frequency, and watch time. Right. And SageMaker is crucial for making improvement quickly.
How do AI chatbots improve Netflix customer service?
Choose your host.
It's sleeping up and down like a video game. Video game lover, we should with each other.
Welcome back everyone to the new episode of Streamflix, the tech behind Netflix. I am Vitrina, your host for today. Before we dive into our next topic, the use of big data and cloud computing in Netflix, let me give you a quick recap of our previous episode. We touched on the effects of integrating AI on viewer satisfaction. To enhance recommendations, Netflix employs AI algorithms to examine viewer ratings, viewer histories, and show durations. Furthermore, Netflix depends on Amazon Web Services (AWS) to guarantee scalable, high-performance infrastructure that can manage millions of streams at once. Now, the big question is, how does Netflix manage its big data and cloud computing to drive growth and profits? Without further ado, let me introduce our expert panelists, Arina, an IT specialist, Shasha, a cloud computing expert, and Rowena, an entertainment technology analyst. Now, let's begin with the myths of big data and cloud computing. Arina, can you explain this myth and Netflix use of application programming interface (API) in their operations?
Sure. The idea that industries like Netflix have mastered data collection and analysis to the point where their algorithms are all-knowing is the myth of big data. Even though Netflix leads the industry in data usage, it's crucial to keep in mind that its success depends on constantly improving its system. A key element is its use of APIs, which are rules enabling smooth communication between software systems. Netflix depends on APIs to deliver content across devices like smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and game consoles.
That is fascinating. API seems to be the prominent heroes of Netflix technologies. Now, Rowena, as an entertainment technology expert, could you share how Netflix leverages APIs to enhance its operations?
Of course, adaptive bitrate streaming is a technique Netflix uses alongside APIs to ensure smooth viewing. By adjusting video quality to match internet bandwidth, it minimizes buffering even in low connectivity areas. APIs enable Netflix to interact with devices without needing to understand their specific operation, ensuring smooth connection across PCs, tablets, smartphones, and smart TVs.
That's right. APIs are crucial to streaming services like Spotify and Netflix because they allow content to be delivered to nearly any device with ease. A dependable and adaptable user experience is thus assured. These days, a lot of businesses use API management tools to safeguard and enhance these connections. By controlling API access and usage, features like approval, limitation, and verification help to build a strong and secure ecosystem.
That is great. Speaking about architecture, let's talk about networks. Arina, could you explain how the architecture of networking works?
Sure. The architecture is essential. Devices in peer-to-peer (P2P) networks play equal roles. However, to lower latency, Netflix uses switches and routers to control its global content delivery networks or CDNs. By distributing content from server closest to the user, CDNs speed up load times and improve the user experience in general.
That explains why my Netflix experience is so smooth no matter where I travel. What about Netflix data analysis, Shasha?
The key to all of this is data. Each user interaction delivers useful information such as viewing choices, search terms, and playback trends. For instance, Netflix may increase its investment in crime dramas and reality TV if it finds that many users watch these shows.
Hence, with the data gateway platform and key value data abstraction layer (DAL), Netflix increases its capacity to expand and maintain security while ensuring seamless streaming. APIs gather that data in addition to connecting devices. The devices securely send data to Netflix server for analysis, tracking buffering, resolution change, streaming condition, and users' actions.
That is fantastic. And how does data benefit Netflix in the long run?
Big data powered everything, including tailored suggestions and content creation. It's how Netflix maintains user satisfaction and engagement. The more you watch, the more accurate your recommendations are.
Also, through user interactions on its platform, Netflix gathers information from a variety of devices, including viewing preferences, search terms, playback preferences, and device-specific performance metrics. Embedded tracking technique in its apps and APIs that securely send data to Netflix servers are used to collect this data.
Adding to that, data enables Netflix to enhance its algorithm for recommending shows and movies based on individual preferences, which increases user engagement. Additionally, it gathers data for various devices from different regions, helping Netflix to grasp local preferences and establish a stronger connection with audiences globally.
Alright. In conclusion, Netflix success can be attributed to its creative use of cloud computing, big data, APIs, and AWS. They make data-driven judgments, forecast trends, and tailor content using big data. Does anyone want to add anything else?
I do. APIs are also essential for providing seamless playback across devices, ensuring content compatibility, and providing an ideal user experience, particularly when combined with technologies like adaptive bitrate streaming (ABR).
Moreover, Netflix secures its operation with API management solutions, preserving dependability and accessibility for its sizable global audience.
Netflix reformed entertainment by blending advanced technology with smart strategy, setting a benchmark for streaming.
Alright, I think that is all for today. Thank you Albina, Shasha and Rowena for your insights. And thank you to our audience for joining us. Do not forget to stream our upcoming topic, which is IoT and digitalization within Netflix business structure. Until next time, take care and keep streaming.
Upcoming
For
episode.
today's episode, we are diving into the fascinating world of Internet of Things (IoT) and digitalization.
IoT has reshaped how people consume content.
The beauty of Netflix is that it works hard behind the scenes to make streaming effortless for users.
Alright, so as part of Netflix's digital plan, they have entered the gaming industry.